Okay, this experiment needs a big jar of water, a funnel, a test tube, some baking soda, and some seaweed.
So what is the experiment?
We're gonna get oxygen from seaweed.
But will they be able to do it?
Let's find out.
First, they're putting some baking soda in the water and giving it a good stir. Next, they're filling the funnel up with seaweed.
A little bit of seaweed. Now I'm gonna put an extra sellotape on top so nothing falls out. Now we have to turn it upside down and put it into the middle of our bowl.
Now, David's filling the test tube with water and putting that over the funnel.
Now let's turn the light on.
That's a very bright light.
Seaweed usually needs sunlight to make oxygen, but for this experiment, David and Laura are using a light instead. And now, they just have to wait.
Mark, how will we know if the seaweed is making oxygen?
Bubble zoom.
Oh, I hope it works.
As it absorbs the light, the seaweed should start making oxygen, which will form bubbles.
Wow. Look at the bubble.
Oxygen! The seaweed is making oxygen!
That's right, Zoom. And look at how the oxygen bubbles are rising up the tube and pushing the water out of the way. Here's a fantastic fact for you, Zoom. Seaweed provides around half of the Earth's oxygen.
So it really is a superhero of the sea. Thanks, David and Laura. Your experiment was super too.
Wow.